Today's place is home to world's wonder and also wonderful rainforests. Hello friends, welcome to our channel. This is the third part of Australian itinerary after Sydney and Gold Coast. Cairns in Queensland state is the gateway to Australia's Great Barrier Reef. One good area to stay is Cairns Esplanade. Two major day tours are Great Barrier Reef and Kuranda. After reaching Cairns, on day 1, spend your time in the nearby market and in the lagoon area. On day 2, take a tour to the reef along with Green Island. The first stop is at the beautiful Green Island, 27 kilometers from Cairns. Green Island is a beautiful place to visit. Green Island is a small rainforest-clad coral clay surrounded by coral reefs. The reefs are larger than the Great Wall of China and the only living thing on Earth visible from space. After reaching the pontoon terminal, you can relax on the sun deck, have hot and cold buffet lunch including tea and coffee. There are changing rooms for undersea activities. Semi-submersible coral reef tour with information commentary departs every 30 minutes. In the reef, there are more than 400 coral species, more than 1500 species of fish, 200 bird species, 6 of world's 7 species of marine turtles, and 30 species of whales and dolphins. If you want to see the corals closely, take a sea walker, an underwater scooter. You can also do snorkeling here, for which you can take a training during the 2-hour break at the Green Island. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the 7 wonders of the natural world. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1981. There are a number of good reef tour operators which include Great Adventures. You can either opt to book the tour online before you start the journey if you travel in peak season, or you can also book the ticket after you reach Cairns from one of the tour operators in the market area. On day 3, take the must-have tour of Kuranda Scenic Railway, Sky Rail, and other attractions at the Kuranda village. The Koala and Wildlife Park allows visitors to get up close and personal with Australian wildlife. Here you can see the endangered cassowary, Jack the Ripper, a 5-meter saltwater crocodile weighing 650 kgs. In addition, you can also see tree kangaroos, iconic Australian koalas, and sulfur-crested cockatoos. The Panagiri Aboriginal Experience invites you to discover authentic indigenous Australian culture, the oldest surviving cultures in the world. Here's a sample of captivating dance. Experience the tropical rainforest from a totally unique perspective, aboard an amphibious World War II Army duck. The rainforest has 12 of these historical vehicles which holds up to 30 passengers. During this 45-minute tour, you will see fascinating plants as you pass by before splashing into a lake for a cruise. One of the good options for booking this tour is through Tropic Winds tour operator. Return to Cairns by Kuranda Scenic Railway, which is 37 km in length and journey time of 1 hour 55 minutes. The train runs through Barron Gorge National Park with sweeping views of Barron Falls, where the train halts for a short duration. A number of smaller waterfalls are passed, which includes Stony Creek Waterfall, just meters away from the train. The trip to Cairns was truly exceptional.